Thank you very much and very good evening. We'd like to do one of what we feel is one of the most beautiful love songs ever written. It's called A Nightingale Sang in Berkeley Square.
Certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Two were so in love, the whole wide world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodbye, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. A nightingale sang. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodbye, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Ooh, ooh. A nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.
Ladies and gentlemen,